Hi there, Titans. My name is Paige, and today I'm going to show you how you can configure your content, marker, and on-click actions for that marker in Google Maps and Titan Web. So what I mean by this is I have a Google Maps element in my Titan Web project right now. Here is the marker, and it is grabbing the location, the geolocation of an account in my Salesforce database. And then when I click on the marker, it gives me this message for their store location. So let me show you how you configure this. We'll go into our builder, and I'm actually going to just start all over so that we can walk through this together. All right, so let's start by dropping in our Google Maps element. You go to the plus sign, go to widget, and then here is the Google Map widget. Go ahead and make it big. Now, an important part of configuring the Google Maps widget is that we have to use the Google Maps API key. So go ahead and Google how to get your own API key. There is a free version to a certain limit, so just do your own research, find your API key, retrieve that, and then once you have that API key, then you can put it into Titan by going to Site Elements, API Keys, enable it, and then you can paste your API key right there. Okay? So now we need to configure our marker. And so that's going to be under Content. And you have a couple options. You can either just paste the value, the latitude, longitude here, and here's how you do your zoom. You can't really see it zooming because it looks the same. But let me show you how you will retrieve it out of Salesforce. And what is important to know about a marker is that it can only show you one point on the map. We'll use pens to show many locations on the map, but for marker, it is just one location. So let's go to Settings. Go to Salesforce, go ahead and create a new Git. It's going to be account. Well, mine's going to be account. You can have this Git run any object in Salesforce that uses the geolocation. Then you can go click on user action, go to conditions. And because this is only getting one marker, I'm just going to set the conditions to retrieve one account. So I'm going to say account ID equals static, and we are going to use this account right here. I'm going to grab the account ID, and you can see this is the geolocation. All right, so let's drop in the account ID. Then we will go to the mapping, and for the marker, these are the fields that you will map. You're going to use marker, marker latitude, marker, marker longitude, marker, marker value, and marker, marker text. All right, so I'm going to do latitude. So if you type in latitude, you'll see geolocation latitude, and that is the one you want. Longitude, geolocation longitude. The value will be the account ID, and the text can be whatever you like, but I'm going to call it the name. And that's what you see whenever you scroll over the marker. All right, so that looks good. We can click Apply, Close, Save, and then because I made it a user action, I'm going to place this action on the page load. So I'm going to the home page. That's the one page I have here. Configure actions. I want this to happen every time the page loads rather than the first time. Then I'm going to configure actions and then assign that Git. So I can click Apply, Apply, Save, and then I'm going to preview. And there we have it. We can see, oh, whoops, I forgot to show you how to do the on-click action. So let's do that next. But you can see that we have our location here. You can zoom in and see it. And right now, when I click on it, nothing happens. So to set up that on-click action, you'll go back into content, scroll down, choose on marker click action, and then this is where you can choose what action you want to take place when they click the marker. And you can make this like whatever you want it to be, but for the purpose of this video, I'm going to just make a message and say this is our storefront address. And you of course could make this, you know, anything you want. I'm going to just copy their billing address. Whoops. Let's go back. There we go. Go back into our project that I accidentally canceled out of, and then let's reassign that message. Content, on marker click, configure actions. I'm going to do show message toast, and then I'm going to say this is our storefront address. Cool. All right, then I'm going to click apply, 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 save. Let's preview. And here we have our map. And then when I click on it, we can see our on-click action has worked and we see our message. So I hope that this video helped and that Google Maps becomes a great element to add to your Titan web projects. Thank you for watching.